And now let's talk about the robotics evolution. And we gather here from 100 BC up until this generation. So the first, which was invented in 77 to 100 BC, which is the Antikythera device, a robotic that has a complex mix of gears which most likely calculated the position of the sun, moon, or other celestial bodies. Next would be the invention last 1495, which is the first humanoid robot, and it was invented by Leonardo da Vinci, who designed that what may be the first humanoid robot, though it cannot be confirmed if the design was actually ever produced. Next, which is the Pascaline, and it was invented last 1645 by Blaise Pascal. So he invented a calculating machine to help his father with success. And then another invention, which is the duck, and it was invented in 1709. This mechanical device could flap its wings, eat, and digest grains. Then another one, which is the steam man, and it was invented in 1865. It used to pull wheeled carts and more. And then another invention from 1937 to 1938, which is the Electro. This robot is a human-like robot that could walk, talk, and smoke.
In 1942, the first programmable mechanism, a paint sprayer, was designed by Willard Pollard and Harold Roseland. In 1948, the Elmer and Elsie, also known as the Turtle robots. The robots were capable of finding their charging station when their battery power ran low. In 1954 is the Unimate, the first truly programmable robot. Then 1968 is the Musher's truck, the first manually controlled walking truck. And the 1969 is the WAP-1, the first biped robot designed by Ichiro Kato. And in the 1973, we have the Wabot-1, the first full-scale anthropomorphic robot in the world.
In 1978, ACMVI Obliques was created. Obliques moves like a snake. It was designed to study the movement of a device consisting of a chain of linked parts. It is one of many highly original robot designs by Shigeo Hirose, manufactured in Japan. In 1980, WL-9DR was created. It managed human-like movement in a swing phase and a stance phase. It was also able to stand up and sit down and used a microcomputer as the controller. In 1985, Poley-1 was created. It is a four-legged walking machine. And in 1989, the Aqua Robot was created. It is a walking robot for undersea use, and it was created at the Robotics Laboratory at the Ministry of Transport in Japan. In 1996, Robotona was created. This robot was used to study how fish swim. The Robotona project is an experiment to study the swimming efficiency of an underwater vehicle using fish-like propulsion. In 1996, P2 was created. The P2 was the first self-regulating bipedal humanoid robot.
In 1997, NASA's Pathfinder, the wheeled robotic, oversent images and data about Mars back to Earth. In 1998, Kismet, robotic creature that interacted emotionally with people. In 1998, Mindstorms, LEGO released the Robotic Development product line, a system for inventing robots using a modular design and LEGO plastic bricks. In 1999, Albo robotic dog. It walks, barks, whines, growls, wags its tail, and plays with the ball. In 2002, Sony Dream Robots SPR was able to recognize 10 different places, expresses emotion through speech and body language. In 2002, Asimo intended to be a personal assistant. In 2002, Roomba robotic vacuum cleaners, autonomous robotic vacuum cleaners sold by iRobot.
In 2003, Spirit and Sojourner. As part of their mission to explore Mars, NASA launched twin robotic rovers. 2004, smallest known robot, the robot helicopter, is intended to be used as a flying camera. 2011, Robonaut 2, a human-like robotic with a mission to become permanent resident of the International Space Station. 2012, modified Toyota Prius, the first driverless car, is licensed in Nevada. Hitchhikes across Canada and Europe on a mission to explore cultural attitudes towards social robotics. At the same year, Pepper was invented, the world's first robot that is capable of recognizing human emotions.
Next, another invention last 2016, which is called the 4OI home. So the 4OI home can be used to look after young children or elderly relations. And then another one, this robotics is a kind of special. It's because it looks like human. So this invention was invented last 2017 and it was named as Sophia. So Sophia, which is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Also, Sophia has an artificial intelligence, visual data processing, facial recognition, speech-to-text technology, cloud network, and blockchain technology. And then the last that we gather is the 2019 invention, which is the walker. So walker may be the first commercially viable bipedal robot available to purchase.
And that's all the robotics that we have gathered. Thank you for watching.